First of all, go to your YouTube channel, then click on Analysis. You can see 16.3 watch hours in here. But when you go to Earn, you can't see any public watch hours in here. Then you have to go to Send Feedback. Then click on the Send Feedback. Then capture screenshot. Then allow to screenshot. After that, you can type whatever you want to tell in the chat box. I will type hi team. In my YouTube channel, public watch hours are not updating. Please check and correct it as soon as possible. Thank you. Then put a tick and send. Within 2 to 3 working days, you can see an update. Is this video helpful to you? Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.